Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room Recap for Wednesday, January the 13th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. Link to the free room, 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. Room is open Monday to Friday between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I share my screen and I'm live on the mic. In the email you're getting, you will see a link to my homepage. My homepage has information, a lot of information on it, how to take out a subscription with a promo code. It has the trade of the week, which is still very, very good. Trade of the week, sign up. It happens every Monday morning. It has my scans, the scans that I'm sharing, a link for all those, and also a lot of training links, including the 20 short lessons. So actually today was a great day for me in terms of, most of the trades I took worked out, but I was more active today than I've been in a while. I want to show you NKLA. This turned out to be a wonderful trade. Little disappointed that it's doing what it's doing now, but that turned out to be just an absolutely wonderful trade. Let me show you it's the weekly. Let me just get up a weekly chart so you can take a look at it and why I was interested in this. Actually, the daily chart. So look at this daily. I talked about this yesterday if you were in the trading room, and I said, this could be really, really interesting if it could take out 20. I mean, look at the highs right there, 1958, 1938, 1938, 1930. So I said, this could get really interesting. Now, if you know the history behind this, it got absolutely thumped by a short seller outfit called the Hindenburg, and they really, really destroyed this. I mean, actually, if you look, Nikola was way up here, almost $100. But I digress. Just because it got destroyed doesn't mean it can't come back later on. So I looked at this and I said to everybody, if this takes out 20, this could be a really interesting one. And in fact, I actually said I might even swing it. So this is what happened. So you see right there, this is the opening 15-minute candle. Now, again, if you're in the room a lot, I say I don't really like trading in the first 15 minutes. I like to see things settle down just a little bit. And in this particular case, though, I thought, what? It just took out 20. I was going to put my stop at 20. So, I mean, if it reversed immediately, the most I was going to lose is about 18 cents a share. And but look what happened. I mean, I got in right here. I think it was actually 2020. I did take some out right here at 21.25. It was just over $1. Took some out here. Right here. That was my third or second exit, 22.15, and then on the way down when it broke underneath 22. And I thought, what? I mean, if it could hold and then move back up, there was a chance I was going to get back in. But obviously, in this particular case, it's not doing that. So a little disappointed. I thought maybe, you just have to look at this, look at the gap. That right there is 22.02. Well, actually, where did it stall? Yeah, I mean, it got over that high there. I was hoping, as a potential swing trade, that it could maybe really start to fill in this area. But anyway, I'll watch it tomorrow, see if it takes out 20 again, and maybe I can do the same thing. But at this point, no go. What else did I do? I'm in this iClick. I have to keep an eye on this. Nothing fantastic yet. I'm in at 1038. This came from, again, one of the scans that I'm sharing. This momentum higher with unusually strong options. There was the original alert was down here. Let's see where it was. You'll have to trust me. I think it was 1035. Okay. I actually have the don't repeat version. So there it is. It was at 1035. I'm in at 10, I think it was 1038. So we'll see what happens. It's moving not too badly, and kind of I was following the market to see what the market was doing when I was taking that trade. So the market was on my side then. I have to wait and see what happens with that red candle. What else did I do? In the pre-market. So IPOF. So again, I really do like this one. I like this one long term. It's just not quite ready yet, in my opinion. But if you were in the room yesterday, the day before, I actually had taken this one the day before, and I traded it out right up here. And then look at the fall it had. But I kept saying in the room, I really like this one if I can hold 14. And I ended up taking this trade late. The room was already closed, but it kind of outlined what I was looking at doing. So I got into this one. I think it was right around 14.14. I had a nice little move after hours. Woke up to this, yay! But I was not going to let this happen again, okay? And so the minute it broke underneath 15, I got out. So I went from about 14.14 to 14.94. That for me is a swing. That was like overnight. So, and again, it's not really quite ready to really break out, I guess. So those are the, a couple of really, really nice ones. And I have to show you an AI alert and again, how to manage. So look at GIVO here, 684 on the alert, all right? Where did the AI get out of the trade? At 709. And that was about 30 minutes later. So, and that was on what is called a profit save. Now, I'm not saying that wasn't a great exit, but certainly this is the type of stock, though, that you have to watch all day long. Because, yeah, you get out at 709, but look what it did afterwards. It got all the way up to 762. Now it's fallen down. So, as I say in the room all the time, use this like a watch list. There can be, several entries during the day of a stock. And, that's how I use it. People ask, what are the results for the AI? Hard to really quantify it because you can use the AI in many, many different ways. If you just look at it as taking every single alert and getting out when the AI got out, it's not bad, but it's not maximizing, I think anyway, how to use the AI. But anyway, I want to get back into the room. I'm going to close down this chart. Come here. No, I'll just do this. It's acting up here. Just give me a moment here as okay, chart's gone. Any questions for me? You can use that email address right here. Again, I'll open the room. The room is free. I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. So I hope to see you then. Bye-bye.